Okay, so here's our remainder one. So we just did Pascal's to help you, which is awesome. And so now we're doing the continued remainder theorem one, which we helped you in class, and we'll help you more on this video. And so with the remainder theorem, basically, I took, just as an example, I took x squared plus 7x plus 10, and I factored it. And I got x plus 5 and x plus 2. Then I set each of those parentheses equal to 0, and I minus 2 to the other side, and I got x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 5. And so just like n equals 5, x equals 2, these are basically factors, right? But we don't know if they're factors, but they're numbers they want you to plug in. And then if you get 0, yes, it's a factor. If you get 0, yes, it's a factor. And if you don't get 0, then no, it's not a factor. If you get any other number, then it's no. No if any other number. So these are definitely factors, right? Because we factored it. But if we plugged it in just to see if it worked, to prove that they're factors, negative 5 squared plus 7 times negative 5 plus 10. So negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. 7 times negative 5 is negative 35, and then plus 10. Well, 10 and 25 is 35, and 35 minus 35 is 0. And since we got 0, then yes, it's a root. Because we factored it, x equals negative 5 is a root, and we plugged it in, got 0. So when you get 0, yes, it's a factor. So let's go ahead and try maybe number 5 to help you. And then maybe number 7, we'll plug in the calculator, because that's a crazy one. But we could try number 5 without the calculator, because some of you don't want to use your calculator on these, and that's okay too. So we're going to take negative 6, use a different color, Newbold. And we're going to go and take negative 6, and we're going to plug it in to n squared and n, wherever we see an n, we're going to plug it in. So now we have negative 5 times negative 6, all squared, good, minus 31 times negative 6, and then minus 6. And then let's see if we get 0 or not. So then negative 6, let's see here, move this up slightly. So all we did again was we plugged in a negative 6 right here and here, wherever we saw an n. There we go. Whoa. Let's make it a group. Yeah. Shrink it. That was cool. Okay, there we go. Awesome. There we go. Okay, so then, there we go. So now negative 6 squared is negative 6 times negative 6, which is a positive 36 times a negative 5. And then we have 6 times 31, but negative times negative is a positive. And then let's do 31 times 6. 186. So we have 186 minus 6. Cool. And then negative 5 times 36, let's try that as well. Negative 5 times 36 is negative 80. Cool. So then think about it. If we want to do the rest with our calculator there, we have negative 180, which is negative 5 times 36, plus 186, beautiful, and then minus 6, which should give us probably 0, right? Because negative 180 and negative 6 is negative 86, plus 186 is 0. Excellent. So that gives us 0. And that means the number 5 is, yes, is a factor. Beautiful. Excellent. So then if you want to plug it all in your calculator, just do it with lots of parentheses. So we'll try that next with number 7, the super long beastie one. Beastie Boys. Here we go. Whoa, I lost my, there it is. Okay, so we're going to carefully now plug in negative 5, right, wherever you see an x. Lots of places. We're going to plug it in there, negative 5. So use lots of parentheses on this one. Okay, so parentheses, negative 5 to the 6th power. So that's this caret symbol thing, to the 6th power. Then we do right arrow. Then we do plus 10. And so 10, we do another negative 5 again, everywhere we see an x. So to the 5th power next, that's it. Then we do right arrow. Then we're going to go ahead and do plus 25 next, times negative 5 again, to the 4th power this time. Then we do right arrow. Don't forget your right arrow. use the regular negative symbol when you're minusing. This is important on calculator. You're going to get it wrong if you don't. So then you do a 6. And then to do the -5, you're going to use the ouchie negative, which is the smaller symbol. Don't forget to do that. There we go. And then we're going to do to the 3rd power, right arrow. Excellent. -6 times -5 to the 3rd power. Then we do the regular subtraction symbol, 32 times. So now we're going to do the ouchie negative again down there. -5 squared is next. Beautiful. Almost there. -14 times -5 again. But this time just do the 1st power. So we'll just leave it like that. And then -28. Cross your fingers, we plugged it all in correctly. So 0, yes, it's a factor. Any other number, no, not a factor. And -8. So -8 means that when we plug it all in, we get -8. Is that a factor or no, it's not? That's right, it's not 0, so no, it's not a factor. So that's how you do these ones, right? Using your calculator, you can plug it all in like I just showed you. Use the ouchie negative whenever you do insert into like a negative number in the parentheses, or if it's the very first number in front also. So watch this second. Nope, that's fine. So yep, and then so plug it all in, push enter. If you get an error, it means you messed up on the negative symbol somewhere there. And so some of these are really easy, just do by hand. Like number 13, for example. So just plug it in, 2 to the 3rd power. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Minus 2 times 9 is 18, plus 7. And then you get 8 plus 7 is 15. With the -18 is -3. So no, not a factor. And some of them are longer. Use your calculator. Awesome. Here's some multiple choice for 15 and 16. Awesome possum. I feel like we've seen this one before. Newbold. Dang it. Guess you get to see it again. Fix it for next year. So this is an ACT review question that we already gave you. And so that was on the last one, the factoring one. So basically, if you plug in maybe like a 2 or even a 3 for all these, you'll find out which one is the least. I think this is 1.4. And then 2 times 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. This is also 2. And then this is like greater than 2. It's like 2.8 or something. Yep, so the least one will be F, 1.4. So dang, I'll try to fix that for next year, but hopefully this was a good review for you. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Newbold's videos. You're the best. There we go. Oh, make sure you ask me about this because this was really fun. Guess what I pulled today? Oh my goodness, really? No, you didn't. Yes, I did. I opened up a pack of Magic the Gathering cards. And guess what I got? A $120 card. Don't believe me? We took a picture. We took a picture. Here it is. What? $120 card, Newbold, foil, full art. No way, that's amazing. Woo! Gonna sell it, make lots of money, buy more cards. Thanks for watching. Peace out.